Alright, today we're going to talk about linear transformations of data. And so I got a set of data. It's very straightforward. The mean and the median are both 6. The standard deviation of x is equal to 2. And the IQR is equal to 4. So let's say we multiply all of these numbers by 2. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And what do we get as our new values for the mean and median and standard deviation? Well, the mean is equal to 12. And the median is equal to 12. And when you check this out in your calculator, the standard deviation is 4. And the IQR is equal to 8. So all of these numbers doubled. The center and the spread all doubled. Let's say that we take the original data and just add 3 to them instead of multiplying by 2 like we did last time. So we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Well, the median is equal to 9. And the mean is equal to 9. But the standard deviation is still 2. And the IQR is equal to 4. Which means that the centers went up 3, but the spreads did not change. So what we learned here is that the changes for the spreads only happen during multiplication, but the centers can change when you multiply or you add. So let's try another one where we have 3x minus 1. So 3 times 3 minus 1 is 8. 3 times 4 minus 1 is 11. 14, 17, 20, 23, and 26. So the mean turns out to be 17, and the median turns out to be 17, which makes sense because that's 3 times x minus 1. That's 3 times the centers minus 1, and the centers get affected both by the multiplication and the subtraction. Now the standard deviation here turns out to be 6, and the IQR turns out to be 12. These two, the spreads, were multiplied by 3, and the minus 1 didn't affect them because subtracting 1 will not have any effect on the range. So that's a brief look at what linear transformations do to the center and spread. The center got affected by multiplication and or addition. The spreads only got affected by multiplication. And that's it for this lesson.